Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to make changes to your website through the PremPage admin dashboard. We'll be discussing how to access your admin dashboard, edit your website, edit your company details, fonts, etc., edit your photos, add items to page sections, and edit your account details. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is visit your website like this. And then in the address bar at the top here, I'm going to type /admin and then hit enter. /admin will take you to the admin dashboard login screen. You can also get to the login screen by visiting prempage.com and then clicking Login in the upper right-hand side of the screen. So once you're there, we can log in. Also note, if you ever forget your password, you can click this Forgot Password link here to reset your password. To log in, you're going to enter the email and password associated with your PremPage account. These are the credentials you used when you first signed up with PremPage. Once you're logged in, you'll see your admin dashboard home screen like this. On the top left, you'll see your current plan details. Below that, you'll see the optional add-on services we offer. Please take a minute to read and learn about these add-on services, as they can really be helpful for your business. Section 2. How to edit your website. If you'd like to make changes to your website, the first thing to do is click the View My Website button on the left side menu here. This will open your website in a new tab, and then you can view your website as you are making changes. Now, to begin making changes, first click Edit Website from the left side menu. This will present a drop-down of all the different pages on your website. The first option is Edit Global Settings. This will contain all general settings for your website. These settings are not specific to a single page. They are settings that will apply to all pages of your website. They include fields like your company details, website settings, button colors, your website font, and so on. You'll also notice these More Info buttons next to every field name. You can click these buttons anytime to get more details about exactly what the field does. See, here's the announcement alert. So, if enabled, this is a pop-up announcement that'll appear on the home page of your website. Note, some of these integrations are only available on the premium plan. Okay, next, let's look at the Website Settings section. So this is the different fonts on your website. Here's the option to update the button colors, and this is an option to disable the animation if you'd like to do that. Next, you'll see the footer section. So this is the footer that will display on every page. Now, let's try making a change. Let's say you moved from San Francisco to San Diego. Now, over here on the right, you'll notice the red Save button after you make a change. Once you click your mouse out of the text field, the information will automatically save and the button color will change back to green. Once you see green, your changes have been saved. So now that we changed this text from San Francisco to San Diego, let's go back to the website and scroll down here, and you'll see it says San Francisco. Let's refresh the page and scroll back down. And now it says San Diego, so the change has been made successfully. That's everything for the Edit Global Settings page. Next, let's try editing something on the home page of the website. First, we're going to click Edit Page Home on the left side menu. Now, let's talk about how this works. So this top section is the General Page Details. The name here is what will be displayed in the top navigation bar on your website. As an example, let's make this all caps. I'll save that, and now let's refresh. You'll see here it now shows capital HOME. Okay, so now let's talk about these sections. Each of these sections here correspond to a section on the page. So for this page here, we see the 4 sections: the main image section, the salon section, client reviews section, and the gallery section. So now when I view the website page, I'll show you these sections. They always go top to bottom. So this top section is the main image section. Here's the salon section. You see its title, The Salon. Here's the client reviews section right here. And finally, the gallery section here. Great. So let's try making an update. Let's say I wanted to update a photo. How about this one? I would first click on the photo here, and that will open up the File Explorer on your computer or your phone if you're on a mobile device. Then select the new photo you want. Now, notice you can use this dial to zoom, and you can also grab and drag the image as well. Everything within the white lines will be seen. The white lines are the cropping lines. When you're happy with it, just click the Crop and Save button. Give it a few moments to finish uploading the new image. A pop-up will appear after the image updates successfully, just like that. Now, let's go back to the website here and I'll refresh the page. There we go. It's been updated successfully. One important note, if you decide to update photos, please be sure you're uploading high-resolution photos only. These are photos taken from a professional-grade camera. Photos taken from the newest mobile phones should be okay. We always recommend using photos that are taken by professionals, so your website really stands out. If the photo is low quality, it will look pixelated on the website. PremPage has access to millions of royalty-free photos. Please contact your website designer if you'd like to browse and use any of these photos on your website. Now, to edit the rest of these fields in this section, you can simply click into the field and make the change. And remember to click the More Info link if you're unsure about what the field will do. Now, going back over to the left side menu, each one of these links corresponds to a different page on your website. So for example, let's click the About Vanna. That corresponds to this About Vanna page on the website. Now, back over to the admin dashboard, if I click into this first section here and scroll down, now you can see this photo with the nails corresponding to this photo here on the website. Now, if you ever want to add a completely new item within a section, you can do that here. In this example, you'd want to add a new photo plus all the additional fields in this section, like the title field, description field, and so on. You can refer to an existing item in the section if you are unsure about what to enter in the field, or you can click the More Info button for more details about the field. Every section has an option like this to add additional items. In certain sections, you will also see a red Delete Section Item button. You can use this button to remove items within a section. This is especially helpful if you are adding or removing services from a service menu. Now, please take a little time to go through a few pages on your website to get comfortable with how the dashboard works. Also note, you can make edits on a computer, tablet, or phone, but we generally suggest first learning on a computer as it will be easier with a larger screen. Section 3. How to edit account details. If you ever need to make changes to your account, click the Edit Account link here. This is where you can edit company name, email, billing cycle, and so on. For billing, we offer a monthly billing cycle or an annual cycle, which includes a discount. If you ever need to update your credit card information, you can do that by clicking the Payment tab here. Or you can also click the Payment Method link from the left side menu. If you ever need to refer to this video again, you can click the Watch Tutorial link here. And if you need help, click the Support link here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate you choosing PremPage, and we hope you love your new website.